TCS Elevate Wings 1 Articulation Mandatory Track Most Important Previous Year Questions PYQ. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazi Tech Study. In this video, I have picked a top 10 most important previous year questions which are most probably in this May cycle 2024 will come. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So before starting the video, hit a like, subscribe and share. First one, to make your articulation journey truly agile. In this, we have to select more than one correct answer. So this is a select multiple choice question. So in this, the right answers will be spend time on structuring information logically to help your users scan quickly and access the info they need. Another one is understand your audience need and orient the articulation based on this. Second one is Anup is excited to work in an agile project as he feels that his thoughts and ideas can be communicated across various channels with less constraints. Is Anup correct to think so? This is MCQ question. So right answer will be yes. Anup will have the flexibility to share his ideas. So third question, which is repeated 3 times in 3 cycles. So you have to most careful on this question. For effective articulation, avoid using what are that? Listed table, charts and graphs. Option B, acronyms and abbreviations with their expanded forms, cross references. D, jargon and a long complex sentence. So before discussing the answer, let's comment your answer. So the right answer will be D, jargon and long complex sentences. We need to avoid using for effective articulation. So fourth question, which is repeated in 6 cycles. That means up to 2021 to 2024. This question is repeated 6 times, 6 cycles. So a well articulated message is 1, coherent and concise. B, easy to understand. C, always uses visuals. D, descriptive and provides extensive detail. So the right answer will be answer A and B, coherent and concise as well as easy to understand. Now fifth question, which is repeated in 5 cycles 5 times. In today's agile world, nobody has the time to read too much of detail. Therefore, it is important to option A, provide details after the main point is articulated at the beginning. Option B, get straight to the point. Option C, structure information such that your readers are able to scan through the content quickly. D, all of the above. So the right answer will be D, all of the above, which means provide details after the main point is articulated at the beginning. B, get straight to the point. C, structure information such that your readers are able to scan through the content quickly. Sixth question, which is repeated in 1 cycle, which of the following statement is incorrect? In these 4 statements, you need to find out incorrect statement. So read the question carefully. Here asked incorrect. So most of the associate will think correct. They will put the correct one as the answer, but that is incorrect. So we need to find here incorrect statement. So first one, messaging or communication happens at every step during project delivery. Okay. B, articulation is a key component of all aspects that involve messaging, whether it is in the form of communication, user interface design or documentation. C, articulation does not imply tons of user documentation as it can be shared with multiple user groups. D, email, chat, phone calls, presentation and ticket responses, status reports are all application areas of articulation as they involve direct communication with specific receivers. So the right answer and incorrect statement will be answer C. Articulation does not apply ton user documentation as it can tons spelling mistake it is as it can be shared with multiple user groups. So 8th question, which is most important, most repeated, which is 8 cycles 8 times. So presentations targeted at clients from the US would need to, so in this we need to select more than one question. Have limited background and context information. B, focus on the benefits to the customer. C, be brief. D, be to the point. So the background yellow colored one are the right answer. So in which of the following countries do people feel upset if professional work introduced into their personal time? So in India also most of the working professional will upset if their professional work occupies their personal time. If you are agree, comment yes or no. So the right answers will be Australia, USA and South Korea. 10th question, which is also repeated 8 times 8 cycles. You need to more focus on this question. Anup is excited to work in an agile project. So most of the associates are experienced in agile projects. In Agile project, as you know, sprints are there, sprints are daily stand-up calls, red sprint retrospective, all our ceremonies are there in Agile project. So as he feels that his thoughts and ideas can be communicated across various channels with less constraints, is Anup correct to think so? So answer is yes. Anup will have the flexibility to share his ideas. So friends, this is all about articulation, most important 10 previous year questions PYQ. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you need any more important and most repeated questions, then feel free to comment your answer in a comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We shall meet in another upcoming excellent video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.